car insurance. The paperwork is thick with jargon, the quotes are designed to confuse, and the ads promise peace of mind while quietly emptying your wallet. But here's the truth, most of it doesn't matter. The industry thrives on people paying for things they don't understand and don't need. Strip it back, and only a few bits of car insurance are actually worth caring about. Today, we're cutting through the noise. I'll show you what really matters, what's just marketing spin, and the tricks insurers use to make sure you pay more than you should. By the end, you'll know how to spot the scams, dodge the gimmicks, and finally see car insurance for what it really is, a business built on your confusion. Let's start with the basics, the three main levels of cover: third party fire and theft, comprehensive, that's the legal framework. Everything else is optional noise. Third party is the minimum you need by law. It covers damage to other people. Add fire and theft, and you're covered if your car goes up in flames or gets stolen. Go comprehensive, and your own car is included too. That's it. 3 levels. Everything else? That's where insurers start padding the policy with fancy names, shiny extras, and small print traps. They rely on you being overwhelmed by choice. But the truth is brutally simple. You either buy the minimum cover you need or you pay more for peace of mind. Everything beyond that is mostly there to boost their profits, not your protection. Now let's talk add-ons. Legal cover, windscreen insurance, courtesy cars, breakdown protection. These extras sound useful, but most drivers will never use them. Insurers love them because they're pure profit. They make your policy look more comprehensive without really adding value. Legal cover, you'll probably never need it. Windscreen cover, most policies already include it as standard. Courtesy car, sounds good until you read the fine print and realize it's full of exclusions. Breakdown cover, you can usually get it cheaper directly from providers. Add-ons exist for one reason, to upsell you at the point of purchase. They prey on fear. You don't want to be the one driver who said no and then regretted it. But the odds are you'll never claim them, and that's why insurers push them so aggressively. Here's another trick, voluntary excess. Insurers tell you if you raise your excess, your premium drops. Sounds clever, right? Pay less now, risk more later. But in practice, it's a trap, because the second you need to claim, that high excess wipes out any savings you thought you made. Imagine saving £50 on your annual premium, but having to pay £500 more when you crash. The maths doesn't work in your favor, and insurers know this. They design it so they win either way. You pay higher premiums if you keep the excess low, or you take the gamble and hand them more money when you claim. It's not about giving you choice, it's about pushing risk onto you while they collect guaranteed profit. That's not insurance, that's a casino where the house never loses. Now let's talk about the renewal trap. This is where insurers really cash in. The first year, they lure you with a competitive deal. But come renewal, the price quietly creeps up. They rely on you being too busy, too distracted, or too trusting to notice. Auto renewal is their golden goose. Millions of drivers roll over every year without shopping around, handing insurers easy profit. And here's the controversial truth. Loyalty gets you punished. The longer you stay, the more you pay. Insurers know the average customer hates the hassle of switching, so they weaponize laziness. That's why the #1 rule of insurance is this: never auto-renew. Always compare, always switch, because the moment you stop moving, you become their easiest target. At the end of the day, car insurance is not complicated. The essentials are simple. The add-ons are mostly scams. The excess is a gamble designed to make you lose. And renewals are where they fleece you most. Everything else, the jargon, the glossy ads, the endless paperwork, is smoke and mirrors. It's designed to make you feel like you're buying protection, when in reality, you're buying confusion. The industry survives because people don't question it, but if you strip it down, you'll see car insurance for what it is, a legal requirement wrapped in upsells and traps. Learn the basics, ignore the gimmicks, and never give them more than you absolutely have to. That's how you win against a system built to keep you paying forever.